Hey guys, Deirdre from Earth Clinic. Today I'm going to show you how to make a solution of borax for men that will provide approximately 113 milligrams of boron per liter. And this is the liter that you're going to be drinking throughout the day, not all at once. I put 1/4 teaspoon of borax in a 1 liter jar. Add a little hot water to dissolve the borax. Now fill up the rest of your jar with purified water. Now this entire liter will provide approximately 113 milligrams of boron per day. You're going to sip it slowly throughout the day. Don't rush it. Boron is water soluble, so if you drank this whole thing at once, it would mostly get flushed from your system. So sip it slowly. Do this 5 days in a row. Take 2 days off. Monday through Friday, take the weekend off. I hope you liked this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. And subscribe to Earth Clinic's YouTube channel for more interesting health videos.
Get it right.